Manish Handa. I head the earth moving equipment division for ACE Equipment. It's a proud moment for all of us, and we started off as a humble beginning 25 years back, and today what we have achieved, we now have around 65 plus different products in our stable, 15,000 plus customers, satisfied customers, and we like to build out from here and continue to serve our customers.
About your dealers?
Well, a dealer network is our strength, and they give us the reach. They are there on the ground to serve the customers. Our dealers are well equipped with sales, service and parts support which our customers need. And today what the organization has been made, what we have made today, the dealers have played a pivotal role in our success. We are very proud of our dealer network, and today they are our biggest strength. I wish them all the very best now and for years to come. We will, as I said, we will continue to invest, keeping our customers at the core and offering innovative products and solutions for our customers.
We are in our 25th year of existence, and we will be celebrating it next month. And we are very proud of our company because we have been involved in providing customer-centric solutions in the last 25 years in the material handling segment, earth-moving segment, the real estate segment with our tower crane, a very strong marketing and dealership network which spreads across 110 locations across the country. We also have footprints in more than 70 countries outside India, mostly in Middle East, SAARC countries, African countries, Latin America, and we have future plans of expanding this network to become a globally admired company. In terms of product, as I said, our focus is on technology, our focus is on innovation, and our focus is on providing customer-centric solutions. What our Indian construction customer requires is what we try and serve. And we are very, very confident about the India growth story, and we feel that India would be doing great construction activity in the next 5 to 10 years, and we would be part of that growth story. Our future plan is to expand in the material handling segment, in the earth moving segment, in the real estate segment through our tower cranes, and become one of the top admired company in this country. And we believe in Mr. Modi's vision of making India a 5 trillion economy in the next 3 to 4 years, and we want to be part of it. Myself, my name is Manoj Agarwal. I have 20 years of experience working in Indian construction equipment segment and industry, and I have served various companies in the past, and presently I am operating in Action Construction. I take care of the HED vertical, which is the heavy equipment division, taking care of sales, marketing, product support, and we intend to take this company forward with innovative and technology